Prepare your body for manten suta pizza. You'll need to make my special pizza dough recipe. There's a link in the video description. Divide the dough in half. One recipe makes 2-star pizzas. Roll out your dough on a greased parchment sheet until you got a big circle, around 10 to 12 inches in diameter. Cool. Top it with another piece of parchment paper and draw a star. As you can see, it took me a few attempts. I'm a cook, not an artist. Do your best, then cut away the rest to make a stencil. Use this to cut out a star of your pizza round. Slice off all the excess dough using a pizza cutter. Nice. Now, I don't have a frying pan big enough to cook this dough, so I'm going to use my grill. Heat up a grill to 400 degrees. When it's hot, grease it up with a little oil. Then, you can slap on that dough. Cook it for a couple of minutes. It will puff up a little. Then, you can turn it. You don't have to peel off the parchment paper, it'll be okay. Cook another couple of minutes. That's it! Turn off your grill and go inside to make some pizza. Gather your favorite toppings and sauces. Here's what I'm going to use. You can use what you want. I'm also going to use cocktail weenies. But first, I'm going to fry them up in a dry pan, because raw weenies are kind of blech. Alright, grab your star dough and brush on some oil. Next, spread on the sauce. In my pizza adventures, I made 3 different sauces. There's links to recipes in the description. I'm keeping things symmetrical too, but you don't have to. Then goes the cheese. I use a mix of pepper jack and mozzarella. Now the toppings. Lastly, arrange the weenies around the edges of the star points. Then, sprinkle some cheese on top of those. Alright, my oven isn't big enough to fit my pizza on a pan, but I highly suggest you cook it on a pan, cause then you can avoid the big mess that I almost made. When it's ready, let it cool slightly. Slice and share with friends. Star pizza is yummy! By the way, there's plenty more Yokai Watch pizza recipes. I think there's 4? There might be 4. There might be 5. Well, counting this one, it's 5. Anyway, check them out. You can find them here. In the meantime, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. Thanks for watching. Bye!